Alrighty, what is going on, everybody? As you guys can tell, the beard is gone. I couldn't do it anymore. It was getting too hot with the damn thing, getting too long. The job I do is just, you can't have a beard, man. You sweat too much with these damn masks and all that. Anyhow, we're fishing the jetty today in Half Moon Bay. So hopefully catch some croaker today. You never know what you can catch out there, but hopefully you hook into something. I'm using my double drop leader with squid, as always. And man, I look freaking weird, dude. I was just so used to having the beard, you know, just freaking combing it out and whatever. But times are changing, baby. Times are changing. I look about 10 years younger. Anyhow, let's get out on the jetty and hook into some fish. All right, gonna get our first cast out. Got the Icentennial with the Revo X40. I got a 12-pound mono on there. It's the double drop leader from Walmart, the Walmart special. 4-ounce weight on the bottom. 2 pieces of squid. I don't know the size of the hooks, but they're a little smaller than what I usually run. As I was saying, for the GoPro shut off, each rock has like every, say about 20 feet, it has a number on the rocks. Can't find one over here, but I'll show you guys on the way out. Yeah, we're at 17, goes up to 53, so you could go a ways out, but anyhow, just gonna keep trying. Try to get I really wanted to see another croaker. I remember I caught a ray out here. That was at number 15. But yeah, you just never know what you're gonna catch out here. I am gonna try some lures too. I got that box of lures. I got that box. Anyways, I'll click it back on when I get a bite. I might have like seaweed on there or something. There's also a lot of like rock crabs and stuff out here. Feels like, I guess because the lighter line, I don't know, but it feels a lot heavier than it actually is. Let's fix this top one. That's the thing about these leaders, they do get tangled up a lot. I think my dad's going to use the Carolina rig, so we'll see which one fishes better today. There we go. Let it drop. The nice thing today is the wind is to our back, so it helps us with the casting. That's why I'm gonna try the lures. Thinking about going down here. Looks like a good area, but the only thing I'm worried about is the freaking when the waves come up. Just gotta be careful. Like this. Yep, that's why I'm not going down there. But yeah, now we just wait. Out here you gotta hold your pole because you just gotta feel little taps by the croaker, or even the crabs will be gnawing at your squid. Just gotta keep the line tight and hope for the best. I don't know why, it always just feels hella heavy. I think it is the lighter line, just makes it feel heavier. We gotta put some fresh Squidwards on there. You really gotta pay attention to your bait, because they will take it. Yeah, you can get some fresh squid on there. Alright, we're gonna cast out more to the left. Just don't wanna cross anyone's line. I think it's pretty far out there. I usually use braid out here, just because all the rocks and stuff It's easier to get your line, your rig back. Yeah, that's what you gotta be careful for. Look at that, dude. Oh shit. They're going for it. Look at that. Hey, Dad. Dad. Your fish. They almost took it. Oh my god. I'm gonna stand guard. Alright. I'm gonna stop bait fishing for a while. And I'm gonna go to lures. I think it's coffee time. You got one of my squids. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Yeah, we'll come back to bait fishing. For now, throw some lures. All right, I said it's coffee time, but it is actually this pink lure, this swim bait. It's got a red jig head that I got from Bass Pro. All right, let's try it out. Mother, jeez, that went far. Not really sure how to fish this lure, but I think I'm just gonna retrieve it slow, like stop and then retrieve, stop, retrieve, repeat the process. Hopefully the audio's not too bad. It's kind of windy. Yeah, when the salmon come back in the harbor, I think I'm gonna take the raft out and freaking use this lure, because the red really attracts them. I know it's pink, but same-ish. It's like jigging it. Not sure if that's the way to go. I don't really think there is a correct way. I don't know. But we are gonna try these those lipped shoot, I don't know what it's called. I don't know what the lure's called, but the one that's got the little lip on it kind of looks like a fish. It's like a hard bait. You guys probably know the name of it. That was so cool to catch a fish on a lure. So I never really lure fish. It's not really my thing. Well, not out here at least. I always go with the squid. Sometimes anchovies, but that was before I knew about the magic string. And the show would always fall off. Well, I'm gonna try. So I'm just gonna literally throw it past the rocks a little. Just drop her on down there. I know that could be Snaggville, but we gotta try it, man. I think that's the way to go. Get some like rockfish or something. Maybe eel too. Oh, or what I said. Snag City, baby. Yeah, I'm not doing that again. I don't want to lose hell lures out here. Gosh darn it, dude. Come out for me. Come out for me, baby. All right. Okay, snagged. Change the lure. Coffee. I don't know if I'm doing coffee out here. I don't want to lose it. Shoot, man. I think I just have to collect the bait. All right, we got those Squidwards on there. It's time for some fishing. Hopefully get some fish, dude. Man, if I was ever in a survival situation and I had to catch my dinner, I'm pretty sure I'd starve to death. Because the way my luck is, man, it's just the way she goes, man. It's just the way she goes. Nothing much you can do. But yeah, there's a lot of people out here. I think we just snapped this pole. Damn. Huh? What? Uh-oh, phone call. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try to throw it as far as I can. I'm just gonna trust the line. Do an only 12-pound test. But let's get us out there, baby. Wasn't a freaking country mile, but I think the 2-ounce sinker is what I need. They got them at the gas station right by my house. Actually, around the corner over there, the Easy Mart. But yeah, I think a 2-ounce would be a little better, be a little lighter. Shit, that kind of hurt. Anyways, yeah, because people are freaking booting those things out there. They crab snares. I tried that once, so it was just that was kind of boring. Wasn't really into it. But yeah, I usually use the these little red hooks out here. I don't know, for some reason those just always hit, but didn't have any more, so got to go to Wally World and go get some more. But for now, we wait for a fish. All right, we're gonna reel it in, and I'm gonna switch to try some lures. Hopefully I can see the crab in the video, but I got it to the rocks. I just couldn't bring it through the rocks. But anyways, I'm gonna try a lure. The squid did us well today. I'm gonna call that a catch, even though I technically didn't bring it all the way up. I'm not walking down these slippery ass rocks for a crab. Yeah, let's get lured up. All right, it is officially coffee time. I still don't know what the hell it's called. It's got like a little lip on it, little coffee color. Gonna throw this lure, see how she goes. It's a 3 to 5 foot depth, little diver. Diver like MacGyver, baby. Just gonna jerk it. It really pops in the freaking in the water. So you would think it'd be getting some hits. I'm also gonna try that the chartreuse. I'm just trying to focus. The chartreuse, it's like the striper jig. The one I use plenty of times, just not the chartreuse color. I always use just all white. Just try to really dive it. So maybe that's how you do it. Just gotta keep retrieving. So if you jig it, it's gonna stay more towards the top. Come on, baby. Nice little slow retrieve. So far so good with the whole snagging situation. Yeah, just get it off the hook. There we have it. Really don't like fishing with treble hooks, especially when I take the raft out. It doesn't really end well. As you guys know, the raft has a small hole in it, so can't take it out for too long, or else you'll be swimming. I got a few colors of this lure. They were like $2 at Bass Pro. I just like this color because it was a different than the other ones. Oh shit, Tucky. Come on, baby. There you go, coffee. There you go, coffee. It's got like a rattle. I just freaking love this thing. Love it. Whenever I go to Bass Pro again, I'm gonna try to get a few more of these ones. I'm gonna give it a few more, and then I'll try that chartreuse. That was a good size rock crab that I got. Wish I could have brought it up for you, but hey, sometimes it is what it is. If I was down there, possibly could have got it up, but not risking the biscuit. Like I said, not worth it. I took one of those home before. It was about the same size as that one, but not a lot of meat on those bad boys. The Dungeness are where you want to go with the crabs. Yeah, now we're just trying to get some fish to bite onto these lures, baby. Yeah, I'll keep throwing this, and then we'll rig on that chartreuse in a little bit. All right, we got the chartreuse, like that striper jig. I don't think there's striper out here, but maybe a croaker will go for it, or a little rock cod. Just let this bad boy sink. It's a 1 ounce jig. Just gonna keep trying. My dad hasn't got any bites. Well, he got snagged once. So yeah, I'm just trying all the lures I got. I mean, shoot, if you got them, why not throw them? It's more active fishing than just sitting there with your bait. At least I caught something. Didn't get skunked today. Let's sit for a while. Huh? Yeah. Alright, last reel in. See if he's got anything. No, sir. He didn't have any bait on there. Holy cheetos. Yeah, so that one rock grab today. At least we didn't get skunked. Hopefully you can see it in the video, but trust me, there was a crab on there. I'll try to zoom in or whatever.